Step by step, finish the journey. Sentence by sentence, master a language.
Reject and deny.
Hey, long time no see. How did things go with the bank?
Well, not as I expected.
What happened to your home loan application?
The bank rejected it.
Why did they reject it?
They said my income was unstable, but I deny that.
So, you disagree with their assessment?
Yes, the loan was rejected, but I deny that my income is unstable.
I understand. Don't let it discourage you.
Thanks. I'll review the application and try again.
Hopefully, it'll be approved next time.
A few months later.
Hey, any news about your home loan?
Yes, it was approved this time.
Really? I thought the bank rejected it before.
They did. They rejected it because they said my income was unstable.
And you didn't agree with that?
Right. I denied that my income was unstable.
So, what changed?
A friend helped me provide better proof of income.
And the bank accepted it?
Yes. After reviewing the new documents, they approved the loan.
That's great news.
Thanks. I'm glad I didn't give up. Summarize.
Let's review the forms of reject and deny in this part. Reject. The bank rejected it. Why did they reject it? I thought the bank rejected it before. They rejected it because they said my income was unstable. Deny. They said my income was unstable, but I deny that. The loan was rejected, but I deny that my income is unstable. I denied that my income was unstable.
Reject and refuse.
What happened to your proposal?
It was rejected by the company.
So, you needed help after that?
Yes, I asked Lan for help, but she refused.
Then, what did you do?
Luckily, Min agreed to help me.
Did his help change the result?
No, even with his help, the proposal was still rejected.
I'm sorry to hear that, but don't give up.
Thank you. I really appreciate his help. I'll try again next time. Remember. Refuse. Example. Lan refused to help. Min did not refuse. Reject. The proposal was not rejected by the company. It was still rejected, even with help. Let's listen.
Listen carefully and fill in the blanks.
What happened to your proposal?
It was rejected by the company. I asked Lily for help, but she refused. Even with her help, the proposal was still rejected. Summarize. That's enough for the differences between refuse and reject. If you understand this, you'll never confuse them again.
Refuse and deny. Hey Lily, glad we could meet here.
I'm good. By the way, did you lend Tommy your motorbike yesterday?
No, I refused to lend it to him.
Why did you refuse?
Because he has no driving license.
But Tommy says you never said no.
That's not true. I deny that. I clearly told him no.
I was worried. Are you and Tommy still on good terms?
Well, at least it's settled now.
Yeah, let's just enjoy our ride.
Summarize. How to use deny. Deny plus noun. She denied the accusation. Deny plus verb ing. She denied taking the money. Deny that plus clause. He denied that. He broke the window. Not use. Deny to do something. She denied to take the documents. How to use refuse.
Refuse plus the verb. I refuse to help him. Refuse plus noun. She refused my request. Don't use refuse plus verbing. He refused answering the question. Don't use refuse that plus clause. He refused that he would attend the meeting. Remember, deny means to say something is not true. Refuse means to say no to doing something. He asked me for help. I refused. He said I helped him. I denied it.
Let's practice.
Listen carefully and fill in the blanks. I refused to lend my motorbike to Tom.
But Tom says, you never said no.
That's not true. I deny that. I clearly told him no.
Oh, I see. You really did refuse him, not deny it.
Well done! That's enough for the differences between refuse and deny in this part. If you understand this, you'll never confuse them again.